Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I will show you both options. So let's begin with the secret code. So we have to tap on the phone dialer and let me show you the code, which is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers, because as you probably noticed, we did not have the serial number. So let's enter the settings. This is the second way to check the IMEI and serial number. We have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and here let's enter the status. And as you can see in the status, we've got the serial number, which is right here, and the IMEI information. Just tap on it, and here we've got all IMEI info you need. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button.